acetone on my paper towel here. I'm gonna degrease the mating flange on the blower. Just to get off any of the tape residue. They sure didn't leave much surface there to seal. I wish I would have left more, because they could have left another 2 millimeters at least. Because this opening is much bigger than actually the opening on the 103 by quite a bit. I wonder where I picked that up from. Must have been that hose. Yeah, see, they could have left some more on that edge. That's not much of a sealing surface. But that area right there is only under vacuum. Worst that can happen is it'll get a little lean. It'll suck in unmetered air, which isn't good either, but that and dirt, it'll suck in dirt. Going to be using the Ultra Black on it, RTV. I think it's pretty massive. They make a 112 now. You can see the difference in size. That's the stock one. Quite a bit bigger. So we should have more airflow. And airflow is a good thing. Well, Nick Williams provided longer screws, so I can sell the old screws with the old throttle body. Went ahead and put the RTV on the supercharger. I did get a little extra around there, and I'm probably going to just, after I get it mounted, gonna wait the time that they say to wait, which I don't think is very long, and torque it down. They definitely opened that up a ton, so that should seal okay. I will have to, I really like an O-ring or a gasket, but this stuff will work. So I did degrease the sealing surface on the Nick Williams as well. And I'm just putting the screws into the holes so I don't have to fight with it. Hopefully I can get this to line up pretty much the first time. Okay, so it's on there. Looks good. Give it a few minutes. See a little bit of RTV squeezing out around that thin area. That's good. Not very visible from the engine side. We're not going to even mess with it in there. It's going to stay put. There we go. It's telling me to install the gasket, and they're going to go to 89 inch-pounds. So I got the bolts in, and I just ran them down to what my fingers could do. And some of the RTV is squeezing out. That's good. So we're going to let it sit for about 45 minutes or so, and then I'm going to go ahead and torque it. Well, it's been an hour, and according to Permatex, they want you to wait an hour before you torque that. It still looks wet to me. At any rate, 89 inch-pounds. I went around one pass, in the next pattern, 40 inch-pounds. Now I'm going to crank it up to 89. I'm just going to go around and make sure everything is tight. Alright. So I'm going to make sure not to run it for at least 24 hours to let that stuff fully cure. I don't think I'm going to have this done before that anyway.